Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to the gang. Period. Poo. If you're not new, welcome back, bestie. You already know the dealio. Alright, y'all. So today I have another entrepreneurship vlog, but y'all, the business has been taking off. What? You know how like before I maybe had like 4 orders. Y'all, I have like 9 orders to pack. I have 11 orders right now. So we're about to go ahead and knock all these orders out so we can ship them off. Period. Yes, you know, first things first, gotta go to shopify.com. You know, I like to pack my orders up first and then I go ahead and buy the shipping labels afterwards. Y'all, and if y'all want to know why my hair is like this right now, I'm about to put out a butterfly lock tutorial. So that's exactly why that's why my hair's like this. So period. Alright, so y'all, let's get started. Let's go ahead and pack these orders up. Period.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be?
Alright, y'all, so here's the heart. I just have to glue it down. I think I did pretty good with the heart. So I'm about to go ahead and glue it.
Can't even listen to it. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get straight. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about that bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillows all good, I'm spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had